Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a kettlebell halo. These will be easy workout instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I actually have a 10-pound kettlebell. And you want to choose a kettlebell that is light enough that you can do this in a controlled manner. You don't want to be doing this in a fast, explosive manner. You want it to be slow and controlled. Essentially, when you grab your dumbbell, because I have a dumbbell over here from a previous video. When you grab your kettlebell, we're not using a dumbbell, we're using a kettlebell, but you actually can do this with the dumbbell as well. You just have to change the grip a little bit. But when you grab your kettlebell, you're going to grab it like this, put the palms like this, grab it like this on the sides, get a nice firm grip. Now for the halo, you're going around your head, back and forth, okay? But the key factor is that when you bring it to the back, you're rotating this upwards, okay? So when it's in the front, it's like this. When it's behind you, it's like this, okay? So very simple, we are going around and rotating this upwards like that. You can see the position right there, okay? And then back downwards like that, right side up. So as you go behind you, we're backwards now, it's upside down, right side up. Upside down, right side up. Upside down, right side up. Now some people will continue going in a circle like this, and I don't see a problem with that. Some people say it's not great, but I've done this many times, and it's never caused me any problems. If anything, I think it really gives you a great range of motions and really works a wide variety of your muscle fibers because you're going through a complete motion, not stopping partway between. So that's essentially the kettlebell halo. Now, what I will say is you want to make sure that you are pausing sort of mid-motion. You don't want to be like in circles really fast. No, control. So I always like to like pause, 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 but a little bit faster, right? Like that, okay? That's how I do it. And you want to make sure that you are going quite the distance from your head. You don't want to be doing it where you're like an inch from your head. No, that's not it's not going to work the muscles in the right way. You need to go far from your head. You're really going to start feeling the burn in the lats and in the shoulders and the delts, okay? If you're doing this right, you should really feel it, especially on your anterior delts. You should really, really feel it when you come across. So like, for instance, if I'm going like this, right here with my left arm that's in the air now, I'm feeling it on the anterior delts right there. If you're doing it right, it should really give you a nice, good, slow and controlled burn. But that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.